Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Today we are going to do our to-do list day 20 ka score booster topics simplification. First question, 28 into 32 minus 33 into 5 equals to question mark plus 15,352 divided by 19 into 8. This is 30 minus 2 into 30 plus 2, which is 30 square minus 4 2 square. 900 minus 4, 896 minus 33 into 5, 165. Okay, we get 731 equals to question mark plus 19,801 808. So 8 times 101. Therefore question mark equals to 731 minus 101, 630. This is our first question answer. Now we are going to do second question. Square root of 1,444, which is 38 square. Square root of 10816, which is square root of 104, and cube root of 4096, which is 16 cube. So our answer is 158. This is our second one answer. Now we are going to do our third question answer. These are simplifications. Third question, 8 divided by 19 into 855 plus 3 by 17 into 731 equals to question mark into 6. 19 4 times 5 times 45 8s means 360 plus 17 4 times and 3 times 129 equals to x into 6. Therefore x equals to 489 divided by 6, which is 81.5. So our third one answer is 81.5. Now we are going to do fourth one. 10257 minus 7898 minus 908 plus 5234. We get 19541 minus 6088. Now we get the answer 5866, which is totally equals to 5x in the question. So 51337 equals to x. This is our fourth question answer. Now we are going to do fifth one, which is 2 3 by 8 plus 17 2 by 3 minus 7 5 by 2 plus 17 7 by 6 equals to question mark. 2 plus 17 minus 7 10 12 12 plus 17 29. 3 by 8 plus base we make this 6. 4 minus 15 by 6 plus 7 by 6. 8, it is 11 minus 4 by 6. 3 by 8 minus 4 by 6, which is equals to 29. 6 3s are 18 minus 18 minus 28 4s are 32 by 6 by 24. 29 24 14 minus 14, 7 times, 12 times, 28, 5 by 12. This is our answer. So option is none of this. Now we go for the approximations. Approximations. Question number 1. 124.9 means 125 into 4.98 means 5, which is 625, plus 129.9, which is 130, plus 130, 5, 755, minus 75.5 minus 75 equals to question mark, minus 75. This is minus 75. We get 680. This is our answer. Simplification. Question number 2. Question mark percent into 767 by 6, 6 1 times, 6 2 times, 6 8 times equals to 7.98 squares, means 8 into 8, 8 1 6 times, 8 2 times, x equals to 50. This is our second one answer. Third one, 4150 means 4160 divided by 4.02 means 4, which is 41040. 41040 plus 13.04 means 13 into 29.97 means 30, which is 390. So the total is 0341 1430. This is our answer. Now we are going to do approximation. Fourth question. Square root of 23.9 239.9 means 240 into 2.99 means 3. This is 720. Root over 720 minus 94.95 means 95 minus 95, which is 6 root over 625, which is 25. This is our answer. Now fifth one, 319.8 means 320 minus 15.03 into 3.89 means 15 into 4, 60 equals to 1040 divided by question mark. 320 minus 60, 280. 320 minus 63, 260 equals to 1040. X, therefore x equals to 4 times. This is our fifth question answer. Now we are going for the quadratic equations. First one, quadratic equations. First one, x square minus 3x, x square plus 3x minus 238 equals to 0. 238. This is roots for 238 is roots for 17 times of 14. The roots are in first one negative, second one positive. Y square minus 32y plus 252. 14 times of 18. Here the roots are both in positive. By comparing these two, equals to here x lesser than y equals. This is our answer. Second one, x square minus 23x plus 132 means 11 times, and y square minus 34y plus 253. 253 means 23 11 times. So here we get x lesser than y and x greater than y. So no relation. Third question. X square plus 35x plus 174 equals to 0. 174. We write this as 3 into 58 and 29 6 times. The roots are minus 29 minus 6. Y square minus 20y minus 210 equals to 0. 210 means 70 into 3, 35 6 times. So our root is 35 and 6. Positive 35 and minus 6. By comparing these two, we get x lesser than or equals to y. Third one. Fourth one. X square minus 32x plus 247 equals to 0. The roots are 13 times of 19 and y square minus 25y plus 156 is equals to 0. 13 times of 12. So here by comparing these two, x is greater than or equals to y. Now fifth question. X square minus 11x minus 102 equals to 0. 102 means 17 6 times. The roots are positive and negative. Next one, y square minus 45y plus 504 equals to 0. 504. 4 into 126 times is 504. Okay. 4 into 6 into 21. So our roots are 24 into 21. And the roots are in positive. By comparing these two, we get x lesser than y. Now we are moving for wrong number series. First one, 52, 78, 106, 139, 176, 217. Here the difference is 26. Difference is 28. Difference is 33. Here the difference is 37. Here 41. We go for further reference 4. Here there is no difference of 4. So if we get 4 as the difference here, this must be 28, not 29. This must be 25. So our wrong number is this. So our right number is 79 is our right number. $79 is right number. Second question. 1210 1089 920 695 406 and 50. Here the difference is 121. Here the difference is 169. 11 13 square. Here the difference is 225, which is 15 square. 289. 17 square. Here the difference must be 19 square, 361. So this is our wrong number. And our right number is 145. Third question. 27000, 5400, 1800, 260, 120, 24. This is divided by 5 times. Here it is divided by 3 times. So further on, this is divided by 5 times. If it is 5 times and divided by 3 times, we get here 260 is the wrong number and 360 is our right number. 360 divided by 3, 120. So 260 is our wrong number. Fourth question. 3370, 3250, 3150, 3270, 3010, 2970. Here the difference is 120 minus 100 minus 120 minus 260 minus 40. Here the difference must be wrong. So if it is 80, here minus 60, here minus 40. So wrong number is 3270, which must be 3070, which is the right number. Now we are going for wrong number, question number 5. 40, 29, 20, 19, 75, 262.5, 1181.25. This is half time. This is 5 by 2 time. This is 7 by 2 time. This is 9 by 2 time. So this must be 3 by 2 times. 10, 3, 30. This is wrong number. So our right number is 30. Now we go for missing number series. First one, 2494 dash 1494 5974 23894. This is into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 2. So this must be into 4 minus 2. So our answer is 374. 374 is our missing number. Second one, 155 161 dash 173 179 185. Here the difference is plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So here also plus 6, 167 is our missing number. Third one, dash 162 327 658 1321 2648 into 2 plus 6 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 3. This is into 2 plus 2. So if it is 80, we get 160 plus 2. So our missing number is 80. Fourth one, 7 19 54 158 dash 1401. This is into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 4. So this must be into 3 minus 5, which is 4 plus 4 minus 4, this is 9, 6, 4, 469 is our answer. Fifth one, 210, 223, 238 dash 274, 295. Here the difference is 13. Here 15. Sorry, here the number must be 295, not 293. This is 21. So this must be 17 and this must be 19. So we get 238 plus 255. This is our answer. 255 is our answer. Now we are going for raising the score boosters. First one, inequalities. For inequalities, we don't need any paperwork. We'll go through the questions directly. A to Q. A to Q, not possible. Q to A. This is also not possible. But A is greater than, A is lesser than, and A is equals to. First one is either 1 or 2. Second question, A to V, A to T, T to J, J to V, not possible. W to V, V to W, V to R, R to J, J to W. Second one is true. Only 2 is possible. A to W, A to E, K to W. First one is possible. W to A, not possible. Only 1 is possible. L to A, L to U, U to A. First one is possible. X to N, X to U, U to N. This is also possible. Both 1 and 2. N to D, N to K, K to D. First one is possible. U to V, U to V, not possible. Only 1 is possible. Now we go for the syllogisms. First one, syllogisms. Some F or G, few G or J, only a few J or O. Conclusions. Some G or O. G or O. No. Conclusion 2. No G is O. No G is O. Not 2. From both 1 and 2, it is clear that either or case. Either 1 or 2. Second one. Few, only a few. Pen or marker. Some markers are not notes. No note is eraser. Some erasers can be pen. Yes. So second one. All markers being note is possibility. All markers being note is possibility. No. Only 1. Third one. Every watch is sleeper. Only few sleeper are the sandals. Only few sandal is clog. No clog is bang. Conclusion 1. Some sleeper are watch. Some sleeper are watch. 1 is true. Second conclusion. All sandals can never be bang. All sandals can never be bang. Yes. So 1 and 2. Fourth one. All hospitals are patient. All patients are meds. No med is OPD. Few OPD are the cat. Conclusion 1. No hospital is OPD. True. Second one. All cats can never be meds. Both true. Fifth one. Only a few jugs are glass. all glass are water, all water are dish. Conclusion 1. Some glass are not jug, some glass are not jug, all glass are jug, all glass are jug possible, so conclusion 1 is not. Conclusion 2. All water being jug is a possibility. True.